Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and today I am here in Manton Roadside Nursery. Here are lots of nursery here, and full of people. Lots of people are busy in buying everything. Let's see what they have to offer us for November and December. You see, lots of varieties of gardening materials, everything, different types of flowering plants. Basically, these are Jarbera, some chrysanthemum, different types. Kalancho are the one of the best for growing in winter season, and chrysanthemum also very nice. Different types of chrysanthemum you can grow, and you can buy poinsettia here. You can see this is the Christmas time, and you can see this poinsettia, nice poinsettia. If you want, you can buy lots of varieties of roses also. Roses are the nice to grow in winter season. So here you can see lots of roses, button roses, and some these are the creeper roses sometimes, maybe, but I am not sure. But lots of variety area, and this is blooms around 300 to 400 flowers at a time, and different types of different shapes of chrysanthemum plants available here. And let's see, this is Dieffenbachia and Inca variety of marigold, maybe Inca or Maya or African double giant or Desi variety also. You can buy different types of marigold this is time, and pots also, maybe ceramic pots, earthen pots, and different types of gardening things. Every kind of organic manure, different types of manure, maybe compost, vermicompost, cow dung compost, everything. And here the petunia are the best for growing in winter season. Different types of 20 to 30 varieties of petunia you can buy here, and all kinds of some hibiscus and different types of seasonal plants as well as permanent plants you can buy here. This is the Mahadev nursery, and roadside is just opposite to Tanis golden showroom. Here you can see lots of winter season flowers you can grow in November and December. This is the Ma O Baba nursery. You can see people busy in this is not the Ma O Baba nursery, this is Mahadev nursery, and lots of people busy buying. And this is the shopping haul is going on, and you can see this is also poinsettia. Poinsettia comes in 3 or 4 color options you can get, but this one is the brightest and most famous one. And here you can see around 4 to 5 nurseries are here, roadside nurseries, and every kind of gardening. These are plastic pots. And hibiscus, these are Bangalore variety hibiscus. Winter season is the best to grow Bangalore variety. The sizes of the flower is around 6-inch diameter, and at least 8 to 10 color options and varieties you can get here in for Bangalore variety. If you want some Australian variety, they are also available here. If you want some tropical variety, they are also available here, you can buy. But one thing is that you have to do the bargaining here. This, since this is the roadside nursery, you have to do some bargaining here, and this is very nice. And I often visit here and buy some things. You can see the kumquats and every kind of manure. This is the right place to buy manure. And this is the hibiscus. You can see the glossy and stunning look of hibiscus, and all kinds of varieties of plants, permanent plants, foliage plants you can see, and lots of variety marigold. And this is the unique place to buy many things. And Jarbera, you can see the stunning look of Jarbera, and the color options you can get around 20 to 30 options of Jarbera also. Jarbera you can grow here right time, and if you want you can sow the seeds also, but buying the Jarbera plant, ready plant is the best. But otherwise the all the small plants that you can buy. Some hanging baskets also, hanging baskets are also available, and a beautiful place to buy. If you don't want to buy, then you can loiter here around 1 to 2 hours, and you will be happy to see. This is the kumquat variety. If you want 400 to 500 oranges in a single plant at a time, then you can should buy kumquat around 100 rupees each. And poinsettia, some orchids also, some lucky plant, and every kind of gardening materials you need, every kinds of fertilizer, every kinds of fungicide, everything you can buy here. And if you want some seedlings, they are wrapped in newspaper and they provide you. And I have a video in my channel. If you want, you can see how to transplant the seedlings. And this is the all kinds of gardening materials available here, so people busy in buying. If you want some vegetable seedlings also, every kind of vegetable seedlings you can buy, even the exotic varieties of vegetable also available here, seedlings, maybe 3 rupees or 4 rupees each. and some seedlings, flower seedlings, imported flower seedlings, maybe 5 rupees, 6 rupees each. And this is the hibiscus area, and lots of people are busy in buying the things. And this is the on from the Dharmatala to towards the Thakurpukur Bazaar, and in the mid you can see the Manton, just opposite to this Tanishq Golden Showroom, and near the Narayana Hospital, just on the roadside. You can visit here and you can buy everything, and people often stop here their car and buy the things and load in their dickies, and they go to their home. So this is the nice one, nice place. You can beat every kind of earthen pot, clay pot you can buy here, nice one. So this is all. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to buy here, you can buy here, but you must do some bargaining. So thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.